O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 7.5 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Don't take anything personally. Transform your life. When you refuse to take things personally, you avoid many upsets in your life. Your feelings of anger, jealousy, and even sadness will simply disappear if you don't take them personally. It's a good card. A little hard sometimes, though. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 301. NASDAQ is up 65. S&Ps are up 15. Gold contract down $11.20, trading 18.09 an ounce. Silver off 11 cents, $19.05 an ounce. Light sweet crude off $1.47, $39.44 a barrel. Notes and bonds. You get the 10-year up 9 ticks, trading 139.15. The 30-year up almost a point and a half, 1 point and 12 ticks. 180.10. King dollar. King dollar's up 298 ticks, trading 96.726. The euro is at 112. The yen is at 107.20, and the British pound's at 126 to 1 US dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What a ride we had out here today, folks. S&Ps, we take a look at them. Bottom line, the high in the S&P out here today was 3170. The low was 3105, so you had a 65-point move on the way down out here this morning. And bottom line is that this is going to get interesting in the next 60 minutes coming in here, because what you do have is that it's been climbing up all day long. We've reached a low out there at 1120 this morning. The juice is not bad here, but it looks to me that what you're going to have right here is that this is kind of it on the S&P, meaning that we hit 3150 or 3148, and I suspect what you're going to see here is that S&P is actually going to back down. Now, that being said, what gets really wild is this. If we go over to the NQs, you are going to see something else. Bottom line, the NQs, they also had the volatility. The high before this recent high now, we just blew out the high. The high from this morning was 10,748. And then we get down to 10,560. I mean, you're talking about a monster number. You're like 220 down. It comes roaring back, has the volume, takes out the peak. Bottom line, NDX 100, whole different animal. And what you do have, folks, is that when you take a look at the structure of the S&P, what you're going to see as I bring these up, these are 20% of the whole S&P. Apple, all-time high, 382. Amazon, all-time high. Up $96, 31.77. Microsoft, all-time high. Up 120, 214. Netflix, all-time high. Up 582, 508. Here, let's go to Google. I don't think this is an all-time high in Google, but bottom line, you're up 1844. You get the gist of it. You can, if you break down what's inside the S&P, more than likely you still have more stocks that are down in the S&P than are up. But the fact of the matter is, these NDX stocks are in the S&P also, and they're giving it real juice. Gold contract right now, that's down $11. You're trading 1809. We've done 260,000 contracts. Gold's still pushing with volume. It's monster volume, folks. Bottom line, gold has to even get below the 1789 to get anything done. Actually, it's 1787 to get back inside the lower range. Gold's in the higher range. Silver, no doubt, has caught a bid also. And silver now has the volume behind the move. What you have with silver, you get 99,000 contracts. You got to 1945. Silver's going to basically break topside once again. You saw it in the gold contract. As soon as you start pushing the swing points and you push them with volume, the thing wants to go. And we've certainly pushed it big time out here today. Now, the silver contract is down 11 cents, and it didn't hold price. And we've seen that plenty of times inside the gold market. And as I said, when you go to a higher high with volume, you don't hold price, you back down, you go right back topside. The notes and bonds, this is something else, man. Whatever is going on out here, folks, these things want to break topside. So you have the 10-year up 9 ticks right now, and the last high out here was 139.16, and we hit 139.17, and you have volume behind the move. So we'll see coming into the weekend. Friday, is it going to be blowing topside and something's underneath this market and the market's saying, hey, man, everything's rosy, but guess what? I'm going topside. The 30-year, the high in the last 4 months in that 30-year is that 180.115 or 180.09. What you do see, if you're watching Tiger TV on the 9th, of March, that's when, of course, the market imploded, and in both cases, the note as well as the bond market did go dramatically higher. The way this is set up right now, it looks like that's exactly where we're going. Let's go to Al in Homosassa. Hey, Al, what's going on, brother?
Not much, Tom. I wanted to talk about 2 issues. First, HL. Do you think it's going to break out to 5? And I know you're big on the Corona, but there's some problems with the VA and the Corona I wanted to talk about, if you'll let me.
Let's go to Heckler first. I got an interview right. We got a minute here, Al.
I can hold.
Heckler, what's going on with Heckler? Bottom line, huge expansion up here. You're seeing that Heckler's a monster silver stock, folks. The bottom line, 575 is game here, Al. I mean, it looks like bigger than that, actually. 1 second, 365. It's an ABC up. So,
okay, can I hold and I talk to you after the interview?
Yep, 1 second. Yep, absolutely. So you get 365, 140 is 220. That gets you $6 is game here. Inside Heckler, and this is a powerful move, folks. And Heckler's been showing that it has strength. I mean, the bottom line looks to me like 565 is the bottom of the next swing point. The top of that swing point is 764. So we get action there. There's no doubt about it. You just stay there during the break, okay? I'll do the interview, and then we'll come right back to you, Al, all right?
Thank you very much, Tom.
Cooking, brother. Awesome. Dow right now down 278. Nasdaq's up 76. S&P's Nasdaq's up 76. S&P's are down 12. Stay right there, folks. Come back when I'm Mr. Jason Path. We are going to be talking markets, and we are going to be talking data. You got to love it. Come right back.